welcome to lesson 4.1. Let's get started. Okay, so this is lesson 4.1, and today we are going to look at verb contractions for the verb to be. For example, I am is I'm. So when we talk about going to, we're talking about the future. So next week, I'm going to go to the park. So this, I'm, is the short version of I am. Let's have a look at more contractions. So I am, what is the short version of I am? Very good. I'm. Can you say I'm? Very good. And what about he is? He's. Say he's. And she is? She's. Very good. Say she's. What about it is? Do we say item, its, ear? What is the short version of it is? Very good. It's. Can you say it's? And what about we are? What is the short version of we are? Where? Can you say where? And what about you are? What is the short version of you are? Your. Can you say your? And what about they are? Very good. There. Can you say there? So let's go through them one more time. I'm, he's, she's, it's, where, you're, there. Very good. And let's look at the contractions for the negative verb to be. So how do we say I am not in a short way? I am not. Do you know? That's right. I'm not. Can you say I'm not? What about he is not? How do we say he is not? Do we say he aren't? No. That's right, we say he isn't. Can you say he isn't? And what about she is not? How do we say she is not in a short way? Very good. She isn't. Say she isn't. And it is not? Very good. It isn't. Say it isn't. What about we are not? Do we say we isn't? No. Do we say we'm not? No. We say we aren't. Can you say we aren't? And what about you are not in a short way? Very good. You aren't. Say you aren't. And they are not? Do we say they isn't? No. They'm not? No. We say they aren't? Can you say they aren't? Very good. Okay, now what is he going to do? What is this? Very good. So he is going to play video games. How do we say he is in a short way? Very good. Tomorrow he's going to play video games. Can you read the sentence? Tomorrow he's going to play video games. Very good. Okay, next year, what is she going to do? So what is this? This is Japan. So next year, she something? Japan. That's right. Next year, she's going to go to Japan. Can you read the sentence? Next year, she's going to go to Japan. Very good. And what aren't? So aren't they going to do next week? So next week, what aren't they going to do? What is this? I think it is visiting the moon. Let's have a look. Next week, they aren't going to go to the moon. Can you read the sentence? Next week, they aren't going to go to the moon. Very good. Okay, what aren't I going to do next Friday? What is this? So bake a cake. So next Friday, something, bake a cake. Very good. Next Friday, I'm not going to bake a cake. Can you read the sentence? Next Friday, I'm not going to bake a cake. Okay, now it's time for an activity. Are you ready? Let's go. So you need to point to the correct answer. They, so it could be there, them, or they'n't going to visit grandma. So point to the correct answer. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. They're going to visit grandma. So they're going to visit grandma. Can you read the sentence? They're going to visit grandma. Very good. Okay, number 2. She's, or she's going to pack her suitcase. Which one is the correct answer? Get out your finger and point to the correct answer. It could be she, or she's. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. She's going to pack her suitcase. Can you read the sentence? She's going to pack her suitcase. Very good. Okay, this time we have a cross. Is it him not, he isn't, or he aren't going to ride a bike? So point to the correct answer. Him not, he isn't, or he aren't. Give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's right. he isn't going to ride a bike. Can you say he isn't going to ride a bike? Very good. Okay. So we not, we isn't, or we aren't going to buy new clothes. Point to the correct answer. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. We aren't going to buy new clothes. Well done. Okay, so this time we have Dad. Is Dad a boy or a girl? That's right, Dad's a boy. So he, Dad not, Dad isn't, or Dad aren't going to use his mobile phone. Do you know the answer? Get up your finger and point to the correct answer. Dad not, Dad isn't, or Dad aren't going to use his mobile phone. I'll give you 5 seconds to think of the answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's right. Dad isn't going to use his mobile phone. Can you read the sentence? Dad isn't going to use his mobile phone. Very good. Okay, next one. Where, or we's going to buy a new camera. So is it where, or we's going to buy a new camera? Give you 5 seconds to think of the answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. We're going to buy a new camera. Can you say we're going to buy a new camera? Very good. Now it's time for some homework. Can you get out your notebook and copy lesson 4.1 and the date and write question 1. So here is an example question. Them, theys, or they're going to go to the park. What is the correct answer? Them, theys, or they're? That's right. They're going to go to the park. So you need to circle the correct answer. Can you copy number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in your book and circle the correct answer? So if we are talking about mum, is it a boy or a girl? That's right, mum is a girl. So she something. Very good. So just copy number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will check the answers in our next lesson. Okay, that's it for today. Bye for now. Thank you very much, and we will see you tomorrow.